I know you guys just heard those pops. Come on now. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you guys can tell, today we're in the beautiful Mustang, my favorite car, my dream car. Not this model specifically, but a Mustang is my dream car. And I don't really film a lot, so today we're gonna go ahead and take this opportunity and film a video with it. We're doing a POV drive, as you guys can tell. And yes, it is a manual. You know, we're just gonna go ahead, take it for a drive. It's been sitting for, I want to say, a good while. And obviously it's been snowing here in Michigan. The weather's just been bad, and it's just been sitting. So today, as you guys just heard from the start, started a good cold start, and we're just gonna go ahead and drive it. We're actually gonna go on our way to a couple of gas stations and test some of the E85. We want to get a little sample of E85 just to test it, make sure it's some good E for the Hellcat that we have. And I'll throw in a clip of the Hellcat right now. That's the Hellcat. It's a pretty vicious car. So we're just testing some E. I'm about to go to a couple gas stations and get some E, and we're taking the Mustang with us today. So yeah, it is a 2014 Mustang Roush Warrior GT. If you guys don't know what the Roush, I mean, it is a Roush car, if you can tell from the gauge right there. It is a Warrior GT, unlike other Roushes that come supercharged or just cosmetics and whatnot. This one, they made 50 of them. There was 50 made for this model, and I have number 12. Basically, the Roush Warrior, they were specifically made for military and military people, veterans, stuff like that. And they were only able to be purchased by them. When we bought this car, I did a Carfax on it, and as soon as it was done being built here in Michigan, it was sent out to Germany for, I want to say, 2 years, I think I seen, and then it was brought back here to the United States, and that proved it right there. I'll show you guys a little bit once we get off the drive, show you just the little differences. There's nothing really much. They made different options and whatnot. We literally have just the base. It's literally the same as just the GT, but it has that Roush name in it. And basically that's about it. We have it's got a cold air intake, JLT catch can. It's got mid muffler delete and a Roush axle back, and it is tuned. This thing is a scat eater. This thing will destroy a scat pack. I love this thing, guys. Listen to it. She sounds beautiful with the 6-speed. It does have a short throw shifter, a Barton short throw shifter with this new ball right here. Oh, where's their E85? Adjusted the camera a little bit. Hopefully this is a better angle. Now we're gonna go head over to another gas station, E85 tester, or E85 test another 10 cents, and then we're gonna go to my gas station and fill up the Mustang. I short shifted that one. problem hooking. They are on some scrawny, I believe 235s, not sure, 235s, and they do not hook whatsoever. But if we put a good tire setup on this thing, man, it's over. One of the things I like about having a manual, as you can tell, it's in neutral right now. I'm stopped. I don't gotta press the brake or nothing. Sometimes you do if you're on a freaking slanted road, whether it's up or down. It's annoying, but most of the times like this, you don't gotta hold anything. And then once it turns green, first gear. There's a tunnel coming up, and I want you guys to hear this tunnel rev. We're in third gear. Let's get it. Bro, this thing is freaking vicious, bro. Don't play with it. You guys ready for a pull? Sideways. Time to fill this thing up. Yeah, battery's about to die. Good 93. Around 68. That boy, sweet as hell. tell. Alright guys, we got the Mustang back home. Here's the charger. Started it up. And we're going to go ahead and say goodbye to the Mustang. And until next time. She is filthy though. But here's the charger. You guys already seen this. And that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more coming soon. It's been your boy Hemi Life. Peace out.